You can see what we have here. This is a Soxlet Extractor. So what it does is you get the plant or whatever thing you're trying to extract in a powder form. You place it inside the bag, something like this. It's a cotton tubo. That's what they call it, a cotton material. So we fill it up with the material to be extracted and make sure we tie it tightly. And after tying it, you place it inside your Soxlet. Open up this place that is closed. Put it inside. Then the solvent we are using for extraction, you turn it inside. Like what we have here now, we have the methanol. We are using methanol to do our extraction. That's the solvent. Pour it inside. Then make sure it is properly covered. In fact, tightly covered. Then this is the jumbo. So you put it, you make sure the jumbo is put on. Then this compartment of it, in fact, I know we can't see it, but it's in the frozen state. So what it does is, as you put on the Soxlet Extractor, the methanol, it boils. So show them the one here, let them see how it's boiling. So it boils. Then also, this aspect of it is very cold. That's the condenser. So the cold water passes through the jumbo to the condenser, and you can see water dropping in form of droplets. You see it dropping and mixing up with the substance that we are trying to extract. And once it is filled up, once it gets to this point, it drains back to our round bottom flask. So at the end of the day, when we are now done with the extraction, this extract, the extracts inside the methanol that is in the round bottom flask, we'll get it and we'll do the kind of, what do we do here? We'll do concentration work. So where we get the real extracts, separate the extract from the methanol, yes, the true extracts. So separate the extract from the methanol. Then after this process, we move again. In fact, it's a very lengthy process. We move to the oven, the hot air oven, where it is dried. So it's after it is dried, then we'll now start our animal study, where we do the toxicology aspect of it. Then we now round it up with the pharmacological aspect of it. Before we'll kill the animal, sacrifice the animal, that's the right word, sacrifice the animal, get the blood sample or whatever thing we want to use for analysis. We send it down, analyze for the parameters that we're trying to check out for. Then at the end of the day, we get our results. After getting our results, we do the statistical aspect of, we look at if it's significant or not, and God helping us, we'll be able to publish something that will be useful for mankind. Thank you very much.